Hey guys, it's your girl MissRessaT back with another video. So this is an impromptu one. I just decided to sit down and film this real quick. As you can tell by the title, this is a Dollar Tree haul. So if you don't know, Dollar Tree is my favorite store, hands down, in the whole entire world. Okay, so before I get started and show you guys what I picked up from Dollar Tree, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't done that yet, and also give this video a big thumbs up. It means a lot. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post videos. All right, so what made me do this haul, because someone asked me, someone suggested that I do Dollar Tree hauls, or asked me did I do Dollar Tree hauls or something like that in the comments, and I realized, I was like, oh, I kind of just stopped doing Dollar Tree hauls on the channel. And y'all excuse me, this is what I wore to the store. A nice little jacket, some leggings, and a little workout top here. So I'm not in any type of fashionable anything. This is how I go to the store. And I was like, yeah, I used to do hauls here on this channel, but now I do them on my vlog channel. So if you want to see more hauls and different things like that, as far as like Dollar Tree hauls, like pretty much every other day, then go over to my vlog channel. It's MissRessaTTV. It is a link down below, and I show you them in my everyday life. But I wanted to go ahead and film this one, not because I got anything particular, because I stopped putting them on this channel because I felt like I don't have like major stuff to show, and I feel like, so I just put them in my everyday life or whatever. But I do have a video coming up. Sorry I keep touching my hair. My wig is a mess, y'all, and I've just not cared all day. Excuse me. So I have a video coming up telling you guys about my favorite Dollar Tree items, and so I was like, well, maybe I should pop out with a Dollar Tree video just to remind you guys that this is my favorite store. So anyways, I talked enough, let's go. So didn't get much here. First bag, I picked up a lot of essential things that I needed. Then I saw a lot of new things. So this is a staple for me. This is their dish soap. My other one, it says Ultra Deluxe by Awesome. This is not the same one. This is from the home store. So hopefully it works, but this is the same scent that I usually get. And my other one, which I look this way because it's that way in my kitchen. This one is 30 fluid ounces. The other one is a lot bigger than this, but I guess they don't sell that one no more from Awesome. But this is still a whole heck of a lot of product for $1, and I hope it works just as good as the other one. And I got some food. I do buy food items from Dollar Tree. I don't know about you. If you do, tell me down below what you buy, what food items you like to buy from Dollar Tree. But let me tell y'all, I went in the store for aluminum foil, dish detergent, and mayonnaise. So you already seen the dish detergent. So y'all comment down below what's the thing I did not get. Okay, I went in for 3 things and ended up with 17. But anyways, I saw these chips here by Cape Cod. They're Cape Cod Thins, which I've never even heard of. But Cape Cod chips are very good. This is a name brand, and they're like kettle cook, those type of chips. So I was like, this big old bag for $1, heck yeah. And they have some other flavors in there too from Cape Cod. Picked up my French vanilla coffee creamer. This is definitely a staple for me. Another staple is, I'm sorry if the sound of the bag aggravates you. This is Wilder's Light. There come 10 in here. I love these things to put in my water. This is the strawberry lemonade flavor. Absolutely necessary, you guys. I'm trying to get my life back together on this weight loss journey. Y'all hear about it once I'm actually got my life together. So I won't bother y'all with it right now. But I'm trying to get myself back into drinking water because I definitely failed off. And yeah, but these so right now I can't drink water without a flavor enhancer, so those are definitely bae. I bought 2 of these. They're made by Snap, and they are pancakes and sausage on a stick. I've always loved pancake sausage on a stick, and I saw the 11 grams of protein. I know these are not healthy, you don't have to tell me. Oops. But I thought these would be a great substitute to just eat maybe one or whatever when I wanted to substitute my oatmeal, because that's what I'm eating for breakfast currently now every day. So I just picked those up because that's not something my store always has. I definitely am going through it right now, so I have a sweet tooth and craving chocolate. So I picked up these vanilla, frozen dairy, dessert vanilla ice cream, basically ice cream sandwiches. They come 3 in a pack, and I picked up a Snickers. I know. I know. I'm going to enjoy the heck out of them, okay? And this is not food. I don't know why she has this in the bag. Girl who packed my stuff. I mean, I separated it all out, and she just packed it how she wanted to. But anywho, this is the last food item, I think. I picked up a bag of winter blend. This is just broccoli and cauliflower. I like the winter blend because it gives you those florets. And I like broccoli florets. I don't like the other pieces. Alright, y'all. I'm running out of room here. Okay, so I think that's all the food. We'll move into everything else. Now, this is a new product. It's my first time seeing it in my Dollar Tree. This is by Rich Radiant Skincare, a cocoa and shea butter treatment mask. I've actually never even heard of a cocoa and shea butter treatment mask at all. Like, and y'all know I like masks, and I tend to look at a lot of them, but this is new. But I was like, I'll try it out because it's cocoa butter and shea butter. I can't see it being harmful at all. This is not a Dollar Tree brand. I will Google this one and see if I can find any more information about this. Rich Radiance, I never heard of it, but there are 15 even complexion corrector 15-minute facial therapy. So it has vitamin A, C, D, and E. So I was like, hey, those are all good for your face, so why not try it out? So I will be trying those out. I'm trying to see how many comes in here. Oh, it's two masks in here. If y'all want to know how those work, then let me know. Or like I said, most likely I'll say it in the vlog channel. Not to plug it, but I'm just saying. I picked up a pack of these fragrance sachet. I don't know how you say that word. These smell so good. I got passion fruit. This is my first time seeing these in my Dollar Tree also. So I'm gonna put these in my workplace just to kind of keep that a fresh smelling place since I'm not in there often. My photography studio. I always get medicine when I come to Dollar Tree. I always pick up medicine just because I like to have these on hand at all times. So I got some nighttime liquid capsules. These are compared to NyQuil. Then I got these nasal decongestants, which I'm about to pop one right now for the sinus pressure I got going on. I saw these nails. They had a lot of set of new nails that I've never seen before. I picked up these. I probably won't use them anytime soon. But I saw the purple and I couldn't resist. I don't really care for the pink and the blue, but the purple, I just couldn't let them sit there. So don't know when I'm going to use them. Probably when it gets spring, but I had to pick them up. I got aluminum I did not want this aluminum. I preferred the foil sheets. I've been using those forever now, and I was very upset because they did not have them in there, but I needed aluminum, so I picked this up. But I love the aluminum sheets because they're just like the perfect size. I picked up some sandwich bags here. Like I said earlier, I am trying to get back on my weight loss, so I've been doing some meal prepping here and there for when I actually really hop back into it. So I'm just preparing myself, so I bought some sandwich bags to be able to use for whatever. And then last, but certainly not least, is that it? Yeah, I think that's last. It's another new product I saw in my Dollar Tree that I have never seen before, and these are cleansing nose strips. Charcoal removes blackheads, unclogs pores, works in 10 minutes and this is from the company Global Beauty Care. So I picked up their they have masks also in Dollar Tree, and I really enjoyed those masks, so I picked those up. And I was like, well, I'm gonna try their nose strips also, because my nose, as you can see, is pretty shiny right now. But yeah, my nose is usually my trouble area in regards to pores and things like that. So I'm definitely interested to see how this works. And this is 3 scripts. Once again, if you want to know how it works, definitely let me know. And that's it, you guys. So this was a random, just impromptu Dollar Tree haul video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you really, really, really want to see them, then let me know. Comment down below, and I'll try to bring, when I have a lot of stuff like this, I'll try to bring it to you on this channel also. So that's it for your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Smooches!